The Maliau Basin Conservation Area, also known as Sabah's Lost World, is a concealed treasure where time seems to stand still under a vast rainforest canopy. This dynamic testament to the wonders of the natural world transports visitors to a time when the Earth was wild and untouched. With stunning waterfalls, rich wildlife, and unique flora, accompanied by the symphony of nature's most elusive creatures, the area represents a biodiversity jewel needing enhanced protection and sustainable management. From 13 to 26 May 2024, the Yayasan Sabah Group organized the Maliau Basin Resources and Wildlife Survey to bolster conservation efforts throughout this expansive area and explore its hidden ecological treasures. The two-week survey, spearheaded by the Sabah Wildlife Department, involved various government departments, agencies, and non-governmental organizations. The objectives of the survey are to compile data for the formulation of the Maliau Basin Conservation Area Strategic Management Plan, to document the abundance and distribution of wildlife, to assess potential threats, poaching, forest fire, impact of surrounding land use, to determine the potential for tourism developments, attractions, logistics, and accessibility, and to raise potential research questions concerning flora and fauna. With the involvement of over 100 participants, the committee designated 9 campsites strategically within a 5 kilometers radius to ensure exhaustive area coverage. Each campsite hosts teams of seasoned conservationists and researchers, experts in diverse disciplines ranging from botany and zoology to ecology and geology, each bringing unique knowledge and experience. In the dense forests and rugged hills near the Kwamut River, just 14 kilometers from the Maliau Basin Study Center, the Camp 1 team embarked on an adventurous journey by helicopter. Camp 2, 25 kilometers from the Maliau Basin Study Center, the team embarked on a meticulous exploration, mapping out 4 distinct trails. As they ventured through the dense wilderness, they documented diverse wildlife, spotting 5 bird species, 11 mammals, and 8 herpetofauna. Nestled in the Inarad tourism zone lies the bustling village of Kampong Inarad. This lively community, home to Camp 3's survey activities, serves as a cultural and social vibrancy center, giving visitors a window into the rich mosaic of local life. The base camp, located 20 minutes by boat from the village, sits at a high elevation with views over the picturesque Namatoi River. Meanwhile, in Kampong Tudongin, where Camp 4 is located, access is challenging and requires boat travel along the Penangar River. The team splits into 3 groups, covering areas such as the village, oil palm estates, and buffer zones. Their surveys uncovered a rich tapestry of wildlife and valuable insights into the cultural heritage of the local community. Situated in a former logging area notorious for illegal hunting, Camp 5 is staffed by Team Protect to provide essential protection during surveys. Despite these challenges, their efforts led to documenting over 50 bird species, 22 mammals, and 11 types of herpetofauna, showcasing the area's rich biodiversity amid its threats. In the misty haze and chilly air of Calamus Camp, or Camp 6, the team was surrounded by breathtaking scenery. The beautiful waterfalls around the campsite provided a stunning backdrop for their survey. Despite the chilly conditions, they recorded 7 bird species, 10 mammals, and intriguing fungi. The area's scenic charm and diverse wildlife suggested a promising future for tourism, one in which others may marvel at its delights. Camp 7, located at the Nepenthes Research Station, sits 1,000 meters above sea level, surrounded by a heath forest that envelops the area in a crisp, chilly atmosphere. While large mammals are rare, the forest is bustling with smaller wildlife like squirrels and rodents. At Camp 8, or Eucalyptus Camp, nearby waterfalls with unique rock formations enhance the camp's charm and add a touch of natural wonder, promising to captivate tourists and draw them to this extraordinary place in the future. Meanwhile, Team Camp 9 immersed themselves in documenting the region's rich biodiversity near the Maliau Basin security gate along Jalan 10 Kalabakan. The survey documented various flora and fauna, including rare and endangered species. The nearby village is rich in ethnic culture and traditions, such as traditional boat making and the Murut Tanggala's funeral rites. Developing sustainable tourism to generate employment opportunities for local communities. And the waterfalls and Limununsut Lake have the potential to make the Maliau Basin Conservation Area a premier eco-tourism and adventure destination. The Maliau Basin Resources and Wildlife Survey has unveiled the intricate beauty and richness of the region's ecosystem. The findings have deepened our scientific understanding and underscored the urgent need for continued conservation efforts. Protecting the Maliau Basin Conservation Area is not just about preserving a part of Malaysia's natural heritage, but safeguarding a globally significant reservoir of biodiversity. The Maliau Basin Conservation Area is a testament to nature's resilience and splendor. We can preserve this extraordinary ecosystem with dedicated efforts and a unified conservation vision, ensuring it thrives and inspires future generations.
Khazanah yang kita miliki pada hari ini adalah untuk generasi akan datang.